Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today we have a tub spout, a Moen tub spout that continually squeals while in the shower position. So we're going to check it out. Are you a service company still using a pen and paper to take down phone numbers? If so, you got to check out House Call Pro. It's a game changer. Click the link below and get your free demo. You will not be disappointed. Invoicing, sending the guys out, MapQuest, addresses, start and finish times on jobs, all at the touch of your phone screen. Check it out. If you sign on, the first month is $19. Have a great day, and we will see you at the job. Here is the spout that squeaks, a Moen. And they do squeak. Listen to this. Drop a new spout. Authentic Moen spout going back in. Come on, start squeaking. Trust me, this is my spare shower. I've been meaning to do this video for a while. Come on now. What, ain't gonna squeak now? It's really loud too. Really annoying. Anyway, it's from the spout. This wears out. There's an O-ring in here that stops the water and sends it up to your shower. That's what wears out, and it squeaks. It's really loud. Come on now. Don't make a liar out of me. It squeaks. Trust me. I know because it's my shower. And guess what? It's a wrap. It's coming out. New one going in. I want to let you listen to it. If you have a squeaking shower, trust me, you would know. This is a new caulk job, so I'm not even going to play with it. I guess I could throw another layer on there maybe. What do you think? That looks good. I just worked on this shower, so. But this is all you do. If you have a squeaking shower, you change the spout. Ouch. That's my head. So I'm going to cheat a little bit here. Almost tightened it all the way up. And give it its final, which is almost right there. A little more. Give its final shot right here, baby. Square. Watch it squeak now. Miss Mossy would not be happy. She would blame me for breaking it. We're out of here. I'm going to surprise Miss Marcy and get her a new top stop too. Alright. Let's throw this in. And guess what? It's the 3/8 not the 5/16. So the one I had on the truck does not fit. Oh, this is the 3/8. We need the next one down. Ay, 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 ay. Let's see. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you at the next one.